Afyonkarahi is a city located in central Anatolia in Turkey. It is famous for Turkish sausages, Turkish delight, marble stones, Turkish bath, and thermal spa centers. Not being a highly populated city, it has 2 universities and a lot of places to visit and see. The places you can visit even when you are just passing through. Number 1. The Afyon Square. The city hall was located in this square at the Ottoman times. You can see the square before you visit the traditional markets and the downtown where you can find the goods Afyon is famous for. Also, you can visit the Victory Museum where you can see the reminders from the Turkish Independence War and the First World War. There used to be a mosque in the park near the square, and it was replaced by a statue representing the victory. Almost a century later, they rebuilt the mosque in somewhere else for the restoration of honor. Number 2. The downtown. There are a lot of historical buildings and traditional markets where you can do shopping and take a tour. Number 3. The Afyon Castle. Having more than 600 steps, it is a lookout point that you can see the whole city on. Be careful about the cliffs and keep in mind that if you are not very sporty, you may have some muscle pain after you climb there. For the people who wants to see Afyon more, there are a lot of mosques, some museums, and Phrygian Valley in and near Afyon. Phrygian Valley is a must-see place for history seekers. The Phrygians lived before and during the Byzantine Age. They lived in caves and they were the ancient residents of Anatolia and Turkey. If you are lucky, you can see some events organized in the valley. Also, Emerald Lake is nearby. It is a natural lake and the landscape is just beautiful. Akta, Sandıklı. It is a natural park in a town in Afyon, and you can see the wild horses near the top of the mountain.